Hello everyone, welcome to this brief presentation of our first edition and the recently released SiC Manufacturing 2024 report. I am Taha, one of the main authors among my colleagues Tagui and Pusha. In this report, we decided to analyze the manufacturing side of the SiC devices from the powder for the bull growth up to the front-end process and bare dies, with a focus on several critical steps such as epitaxy and ion implantation. In view of the multi-billion dollars capex announcement from different players and the ongoing massive production capacity installation, we expect the wafer front-end market to peak around 2026 and exceed $4 billion by 2029. Please note that this graph does not include the PVT tool and powder markets needed for SiC wafer production. In this report edition, we have identified tool makers and providers with the geographical split and market shares, and this for several critical processing steps such as epitaxy and SiC etching. Of course, more detailed analysis can be found in this report. With that, I would like to thank you for your interest and invite you to reach out to our worldwide sales team for any related inquiry.